friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the 12 Days of Christmas. It's either rustic or woodland today. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channel and the amazing creators in the playlist. I can't wait to see what they have created. Okay, first of all, I found this pattern for a cardinal on Pinterest, and I cut it out in the designated felt. Orange beak, little eye, mask, wing, and tail. Which I don't like the tail. I may actually use some feathers for the tail. So we're gonna just start out. And of course I doubled it since it's gonna be an ornament. See where to position our wing. There we go. This is embroidery floss, and I am going to flip it over because I did trace it in black. We'll put that on the back side. And I'm gonna just go around that, so around that wing. To hold it down. If you wanted to do a blanket stitch, I guess you could do a blanket stitch around it. I'm doing red on red, so you can't really see it. You could do this in white and do a blanket stitch if you wanted your stitches to show. Got it all the way around, so I'm going to just go back through one of my stitches and then do a nice little knot, and we'll call that done. Okay, we're going to add the black mask. I need to add the beak first. Then we'll add our black mask. Then I think I'm going to use feathers and not this. I don't like the looks of that as the tail. I think I'm going to add just a few feathers. If I can get into the feathers. That looks like a tail. Yeah, that's a little much. I want him to have a fat belly, but I think I was overdoing it. You could also sew this shut. I actually may go back and sew it shut. And okay, let's add a little hanger. Okay, I'm gonna trim off some of this fuzz. Okay, here is our woodland cardinal ornament. And I think he turned out much better with the feathers for his tail. Tell me what you think.